Hello, ETF fans. Mike here with another quick hitter. Today, I was scrolling through our review and preview report, which provides a breakdown of all of the market action from the previous day through the lens of ETFs, kind of organized across our proprietary classification system, our 8 asset classes, our 19 channels that we break the ETF market in that then represent over 100 different ETF categories. And one of my favorite kind of ETFs to track from a portfolio visualizer perspective popped up on the list today. As many of you know, biotech's been on a nice run lately. Jumping quite a bit from its lows back in April and been kind of accelerating here recently. But today, the ALPS Medical Breakthroughs ETF popped up on the top performer list under the thematic channel, and I thought it'd be a great opportunity to just talk a little bit about tracking these certain ETFs as a way to identify companies or track companies or find companies you might not be understood. So those of you that don't know about the ALPS Medical Breakthrough ETF, SBIO, essentially what it does is it tracks all these companies that have different drugs in phase 2 or phase 3 of FDA clinical trials, and then it also applies kind of a cash burn ratio to ensure that there's at least 24 months cash burn on the balance sheet. Idea being like, hey, these are innovative companies that got drugs that have made it into that phase 2 phase 3 trial stage, but we know how long that can take, and it's going to take money to get it through to potential approval. So it's just an interesting way to track the biotech market, and it's one of those ETFs that I've highlighted that I like to just track from what does it currently hold. And with it being up a lot yesterday, I just thought I would point out kind of that power of the portfolio stock visualizer, break this down by industry here. And we can see, currently it holds 99 stocks. It is dedicated to that mid small cap space. So you can see it's got a min market cap of very small, 154 million, with the largest being $10.6 billion market capitalization. And I'm just looking at yesterday's returns, but you can see there was some names here that really jumped out, driving that. But pretty much across the board, biotech rallied yesterday. Obviously, if I close my summary stats, I can go in and do all that individual research at the stock level. But, one of the great things about ETFs is really using them as a research tool. They've done the work to find all these companies, and it narrows down that universe. Hey, if you like to track biotech stocks, innovative biotech companies, this might be an ETF put on your watch list. In terms of both maybe investing in the ETF, but also using that ETF as a way to do initial stock screening and find some companies that maybe not aren't currently on your radar. That's it. That's my quick hitter for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to let us know if you have any questions, and we can answer it in a future quick hitter. Thanks for watching.